Welcome to Flat Pattern Forge. In this video, we're going to be covering how to order and build a 3-inch diameter duct. So the first thing we're going to do is show a picture of what it is we're ordering. So it's just a standard round pipe that is 3 inches in diameter, and we'll do a 6-inch long pipe, just like that. If I was going to order something like this, I would just do 3 inches round at 6 inches. All right, let's begin. So what's the first thing I have to do here? I have to figure out what my stretch out of that 3-inch diameter is. And it's a pretty simple formula. It's 3 times pi. If you forget or don't have a calculator, pi is equal to 3.14. All right, so let's put it in the calculator here. So 3 times, well, my pi button's hidden down here, so pi equals 9.4247, and it goes on. So how do I figure out what this number is in 1/16 of an inch? I'm going to subtract the 9, and that leaves me with just this 0.4247. Multiply that by the 1/16 of an inch, and that gives me 6.716.
And that gives me 7/16, but I'm just going to round it up to a 1/2 inch.
So the stretch out is going to be 9 1/2, and then the other dimension is going to be by 6 inches. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is set up my development lines. I'll start with a long horizontal line and also my vertical line. Okay, so like I said before, our duct is going to be 6 inches long. So I'm going to measure along here 6 inches, and the other stretch out was 9.5. So 9.5. And then I'll just complete that rectangle. Here's my horizontal. There's my vertical. And if I wanted to draw a breaking diagram, it's a simple circle. So here's my circle. And top to bottom is just a straight line. It's straight duct. Put your X on the inside. If I wanted to put a seam on, I could just do something like a 1/2 inch lap. So here's my 1/2 inch lap. I have to mark out my cut lines. Use my water bottle, and hopefully this will work. There we go. There is our 3-inch diameter pipe, 6 inches long.